Welcome to this episode of Jory and Jorts. We're going to be filming a little repair of a sidewalk. Had a project in the fall, didn't get around to fixing it, so now I'm finally going to fix it. So we're going to put down some gravel, and we're going to level that out, put down bricks, tamp it all as we go. I got my assistant Laura working on it today, and should be a fun time. I hope it's going to be a fast project, probably going to be more complicated than I think. I had these weird bent guardrails that the excavator tore all up, so I don't even know what we're going to do. Okay.